In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Affirm to Stripe. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Enabling Affirm for your Stripe business is extremely simple. You will need an active Stripe account, and you need to ensure that your Stripe account is configured to handle the appropriate currency. Primarily, it is going to be USD for Affirm. So all that you have to do is go over to your dashboard, and in here click on the settings. Go to settings once more, and inside of settings, under product settings, you will be able to go to payments. Choose payment methods, and finally, you will see all of the payment methods that you can enable or disable on your account. If you scroll down, eventually under Buy Now, Pay Later, you will be able to find Affirm. If you don't see Affirm here, it could be because of the eligibility and the criteria needed to be able to add it to your Affirm or Stripe account. So make sure that you meet its own eligibility criteria for both merchants and customers, and depending on the region that you are on, you might not be able to enable it. So you will see it here, type Buy Now, Pay Later, confirmation, recurring payments, and so on. And if you wish to connect it, just click on Turn On. With this done, you are good to go. It is now active. If you click on the three dots, you will be able to customize some settings. The transaction amounts. This show Affirm based on transaction amounts. So if a specific transaction meets the minimum and the maximum, Affirm will be available as a payment method. Specify the availability of Affirm by currency. So as you can see, it only supports US dollars, and then the availability by region. Once again, it only supports the USA. So depending on the region that you are located and your specific business, it might not be the best choice because it is very limited to one region only. But if all you want to do is enable it, then you can do it through the payments window. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Affirm to Stripe. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.